Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to get free credit card for Discord Nitro. So there are three ways to get a free credit card for Discord Nitro. First, you need to go to capitalone.com. Capital One is a financial institution that offers various banking and financial services, including credit cards, personal loans, saving accounts, and more. And when it comes to credit card, Capital One products and services, you just go to capitalone.com and you don't have to pay anything to get a virtual card number. On this website, you will find information about their credit card offerings, including different types of cards, rewards programs, and interest rates. You can explore the feature and benefits of each card and apply online if you find one that suits your needs. Next, Privacycom. It is a legitimate service that provides virtual credit cards for online purchases. Also, you don't have to pay anything to get a virtual card number, and this virtual credit card acts as a layer of privacy and security by generating unique card numbers for each transaction, which helps you to protect actual credit card information. Privacy.com is a useful tool for managing online subscriptions, protecting against fraud, and maintaining privacy. And it's very good for Discord Nitro. So go to privacy.com and follow the instructions to get a free credit card for Discord Nitro. Last, you can also go to city.com. Citi or Citi Group Incorporated is a global financial institution that offers a wide range of banking and financial services, including credit cards, personal loans, mortgages, saving accounts, and more. If you are interested in this website, just go to www.ct.com, and you don't have also to pay anything to get a virtual credit card number for this website. So if you have a credit card already for Discord Nitro, just go to Discord, log into your account, and then tap the profile at the up bottom right corner. Tap Get Nitro and tap Nitro here. Tap Purchase, and in here tap Add Credit or Debit Card. So you just link credit card to Discord. After activating your credit card, you can use it to purchase, including subscription to Discord Nitro. When subscribing to Nitro, you will be prompted to enter your credit card details, such as the credit card number, expiration date, and security code, and fill in the required information accurately. So that's how to get free credit card for Discord Nitro. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.